I got it. I ain't talking about you.
Digging, ain't he?
Somebody's getting real, ain't he? By the time Carter's done, these holes here ain't gonna be meant for no little truck. He's down here playing on 44. Damn Carter. And now he's about to get to his little holes and fuck him up too.
Mike, you know, once it dries up, if people start running back there, all them ruts he made to be gone. That's how this right here gets cleaned up every time. When the summer comes, we're right over it.
Now he's going to the woods and fucking other. Nah, he's parking her. Nah, he ain't done yet. Tell him he needs to roll up. Yeah, tell him he needs to roll up.
Well, is that where you leave and go out here?
Yeah.
I fell off that jerk. Thomas put my truck off, and as soon as it ran off, it hit axles. Hit the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, it's deep. I seen a dude down here with a deuce and a half come down through here and dug it out. That little hole right there.
Oh, he wants some little water on the front one.
But this thing slapped me and hit that. Yeah, it was deep. I don't know what about now. I pulled 5-6 trucks out of that in 2-wheel drive. You know what makes it bad? I'm about to 2-wheel drive truck again. You get 4-wheel drive feet, tear it up. Now mom story there.
How long's your video?
As long as it needs to be.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. Turn the light off, you can't see.
There we go. No, I want to see. He might not see, but he don't need to see nothing. Once he feels the ruts, that's all he needs to feel. There he is. He wants to backstow everything at least twice, don't he?
That's how you dig it out. Get it pulled better than burning the new forward.
Damn.
Yeah.
Carter drives the hell out of anything. He is like, what is this shit? He's cross-rutting them now. They're going to be ruts going every fucking which way down here.
Boy. But by the time he gets done, he wants you to go ahead and trade him on out, but that's what he's trying to do.
Man, he's wanting to.
So you just paid for the tires for that truck, you got it.
Yeah, you couldn't buy a set of tires for what I paid
I'm
for.
drunk, that's what I'm talking about.
Why did he sell it if he didn't want to get rid of it?
I don't know.
He just wanted to get rid of it at the time.
Yeah.
Now,
Not too bad. No, not really.
Hey! Hey!
That's a whole.
Stay out there! He's backing through it, don't worry.
How much gas you put in this thing to get down here?
That bitch filled to the top.
It is.
I
Who's running out the overflow
I
on
was
the
running
trailer?
that fucking overflow on the trailer.
How much that cost over there?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't fill it. I ain't never filled it up. You know, I ain't never at one time. I ain't never filled it up at one time.
Well, you put 5 gallons in it, it's overflowing. I
Yeah.
guess he's still full.
From the mud box.
Mm-hmm.
They're pretty
They
bad.
ain't bad.
Bad on
They
gas.
wasn't bad.
I don't reckon. I ain't never run it out. I always, you know, I ought to go get 5 gallons of gas every once in a while.
I get 20 miles of this truck.